Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2018 Harley Davidson Road Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2018 Harley Davidson Road Glide with 6,901 miles runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, a keyless ignition, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with Baja Designs headlights, Baja Designs driving lights, LED rear turn signals and LED auxiliary lights, LED lower fairing lights, lower fairings, diamond lower fairing speakers, a Sony radio, a fueling vented dipstick, Rockford Fosgate upper fairing and saddlebag lid speakers, a Screaming Eagle Pro Street tuner, a Reinhardt 2-to-1 exhaust, a Legend rear shocks, a Hogworks color match tour pack, windshield, Hogworks tour pack liner, 14-inch handlebars, grips, mirrors, internal reservoir shocks, Brado lines and cables, a Harley-Davidson seat, shifter peg, and rider floorboards. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Road Glide puts 122 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Road Glide has a 200 to 250 mile range. It has a 27.4-inch seat height and an 849-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Road Glide will need a headlight that is DOT approved in color. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 430 seconds. We did not take this bike for a test ride, but our technician noted that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a dent on the front fender. This bike has an owner's manual, 2 keys, and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.